In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a gaming combo set. This is the keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad from the company Battle RAM. And I think that says SADES, growing together with games. Check it out, everybody. And I've already taken it out of the box and kind of like looked over it and seen kind of like what all came in it here. And I can show you, you got a mouse pad that's, 9 inches by 12 inches. You got your gaming keyboard and then a mouse that all comes with it. And let's just open it. It's got waterproof effects on it. So, for all you guys that like to drink around your computers, you are taken care of. Presentation wise is absolutely phenomenal. I love how this is. And then it comes with this little blister pack right there. Opening it up, a little case right there. And this is a wired one, by the way. And let's look at the mouse pad. Oh, that's a very premium mouse pad. I like the way that mouse pad feels. Look at that, everybody. Set that aside. The mouse, the mouse is a large mouse. Has a button on the inside, 2 right there, up and down, and a scroll wheel. So you've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons total. It is a laser. The keyboard looks super premium. I love the screws that they've added. It's got hex screws there. It's got a premium steel finish around the top. Oh, it's got little lifters right here. Let me go ahead and plug this stuff in on my computer and let's see how it lights up and how it works. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just plugged it in. So the mouse pad's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I already have a pad down, so I probably won't be using the mouse pad much, but it seems to work pretty good. And it has the color, the red, green, and blue type coloring all the way around it with the logo really nice and prominent right there. Looks really good. This thing looks awesome. And then the keyboard, I don't know if you can see it in the light there, but the keyboard is lit up and all of the keys are backlit. There's several type of caps lock there, number lock. They seem to have a light that lights up right there when you want to do it. I've got to run the cords on the back, but I wanted to plug it up and show y'all what it looked like doing it. And the mouse is very comfortable in the hand, very quick and responsive and super comfortable, feeling in the hand. I can move it around fast. Right click, clicking on it, moving it around seems to work really well. This is a great addition to, I think, anyone that's wanting to kind of just light up their gaming system a little bit. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's all I got on the, the gaming keyboard and mouse combo. See y'all in the next video.